Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're going to look at the Boker mini tracker knife. Now this is my first Boker knife I'm going to look at, so we're going to have a quick look at the specs now and then we'll go into testing. Now it does come in this really nice box. Magnetic closures and all that kind of stuff. Padded inside, a lot of detail into it, but I would prefer something cheaper and either maybe a better sheath or maybe a lower price or something like that. I don't know, just me. But that's how you get it. Again, it's brand new. I haven't used it because I've been trying to get a video of this done. Looks really nice though. I'm going to put the specs on the screen. I'll put them over here somewhere just to save time from reading it. Now it's not a chopper. It does have the blade like a tracker. Let me get mine. Oops, shit. Alright, so that's mine. So you can see major size difference. This is also the mini. There's a micro and a normal version. I can't seem to find the normal version. If I could, I'd like to compare it to that one. But as part of the cutting bit here, it's not too far off for the straight cutting service. Weight's huge difference. This is a tank of a knife, but we're not about that one. Right, so this section here, they said there's a hollow grind, and this bit here in the front is they keep saying it's a mixture. So you can see right there, you have different levels there. I'm not good with talking about grinds. That's not my thing. I'm not a knife maker. I seen this knife on Easygoing Outdoors. And he said that the price was really good about that, and he was right. So I liked his review of it, and I also liked the review on Rob Evans' page, his group. I'll put them both up in there so you can see them. Just a quick look at the sheath now. So, does snap in there. No sound. Wiggle, the thumb ramp is there. Some said the thumb ramp could be better. That's just about right for me. I would like a little bit bigger or maybe a bit fatter on top there, but so that's nice. This bit here, so these are one of these tech locks here. Does feel a bit plasticky, and I'm hoping it holds right. Let's get my hand out of the way. There. So I should fit my belt. So that's good. I'm not sure how of an angle I'm going to have this on there though. I'll have to have a look at that. But again, this is what I'm used to. And a lot lighter. I'm looking for a lighter, basically a work knife. Handle wise, just makes it there, and I have large size hands, so anything bigger than large. I was gonna mod this, but I think it might be fine. I don't feel any hot spots on this or anything that would hurt. I like the little bit of a finger guard there, just so your hand doesn't slip up. That's nice. Sharpness wise, the back blade's fine. Fine. Look at the front bit here. Can't argue with that. And again, this is sharpness out of the box. I haven't touched it. boring, but you can get the idea of it. So yeah, I can make curly ones just by using the front bit here. Get a close up of that. Ooh, that's it. There you are on that one. It's not gonna throw sparks, I don't think anyway, because of the coating. Well, it's not supposed to throw sparks because of the coating, but that worked. Either I made it work or it's a good rod. That's how much came off on that one. Not a lot. So that worked. Didn't cheat. Not bad actually. Right, so I did a bit more testing on it, beat it up a little bit more. You can see there. I'm going to take the coating off anyway. You know, it's just going to be easier with it and it'll probably look better as well. I'll do a close-up of the damage on the knife anyway, of not damage, but the fact that I did use it. So, yeah, pros and cons. Size felt right, didn't feel any hot spots again. Cut well out of the box. I wouldn't mind sharpening it. This part, the back bit, did really well. The hook bit fine. So both of them, I was able to feather stick on both sides there. Chopping, it did chop those branches. I wouldn't chop anything serious. You know, for normal sticks and whatnot, that's fine. It's not heavy enough to be a chopper. My other tracker is more for that because of the weight behind it. Again, the handle feels good. No problems thus far. The only modifications I would do right at the moment is sharpen it and take the coating off. Cons, the only thing I'm worried about is the skeleton handle. Because for the bits I did see, and video wise, is that again the guy throwing it snapped here across. So I think it's where the pin is. Other side of that snapped, and then it kind of turned into a folder. And splitting wood, again, you wouldn't do anything heavy because this is a small knife. It's not, you know, it's not like a big heavy knife. So I think people were hammering that, and it damaged here. But if you be sensible with it, it's a perfectly fine knife. Like I said, don't throw it. If you're just cutting, feather sticking, general bushcraft stuff, you're fine. So I'll keep it at that. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comment section. I could keep doing the wood test, but it's just going to be the same results. I mean, I don't think it's going to fail. I don't want the video to be boring. So most important thing for me is splitting wood, feather sticking, and cutting, and that's what I showed you guys. But yeah, like I said, I'll take the coating off it, and I'll give you guys an update on that one. But again, let me know. I know it's not a big favorite in the knife community, the shape of it, but let me know what you think in the comments section. I happen to like it. Again, let me know your thoughts if you tried these yet. Hopefully, I might try to get the full-size version and compare that to a tracker, the T1. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.